Can't believe it, y'all, but I'm thinking Thanksgiving in my head. It's going to be here before we know it. So I'm wanting to share some tried and true recipes with y'all that people expect on their Thanksgiving table, like green bean casserole, like yeast rolls. So I've got 3/4 of a cup of warm water here, and I am going to dissolve my yeast in that warm water. And this is really an easy yeast roll recipe. All right, so what makes this yeast roll recipe so easy is I'm using a biscuit mix. I've got 2.5 cups of a biscuit mix. And I've got a tablespoon of sugar. So I'm going to whisk that up real good. Because that biscuit mix has everything that we need in it to make these rise up nice. And then we got our yeast. It's going to give it that yeast flavor. All right, now we're going to add our yeast mixture. And we're going to stir it very vigorously. All right, I'm fixing to have to get rid of the... I'm fixing to have to get rid of this. And go with a spoon. I added just a little bit more water because I was having trouble getting it mixed up. So, I mean, I probably didn't add maybe 2 tablespoons extra. And I might not have had my 3/4, measured quite right. So, and we need to knead this about 15 or 20 times. Let that yeast get all in that biscuit mix. All right, now there's several ways. There's several ways that, just depending on how you want to present your yeast rolls. Now you can do it like in a muffin tin, like 3 separate balls, and have like a clover leaf, or you can just do one big one. And I think I'm just going to do the one big one. Okay. I think we've kneaded that nicely. Now I've just got to shape them and put them on a baking sheet and let them rise. We're going to let them rise for 1 hour, y'all. I have sprayed this with some olive oil. There we go. And you want to do like a heaping tablespoon if you're going to do it like in a ball. I don't like the way that one looks. I'm going to do it again. I'm going to do it over again. All right, so you just want to do this until you've got all your balls. We're going to cover this with a damp rag, and we're going to let it sit for an hour. Okay, I found me a clean, damp rag. I'm going to dampen that side a little bit more.
Yeah. I might not do it. Look.
Just a little bit. And I'm going to find a warm place to put this in. And in 1 hour, we'll see what we got. Fingers crossed, y'all. All right, y'all. Our yeast rolls has risen. So we're going to brush those with butter. And when we take them out of the oven, we're going to brush them one more time before we eat them. Yum. I do love a yeast roll. All right. 400 degrees. For about 15 minutes. It depends on your oven. I hope these are good. Look at these beautiful yeast rolls, y'all. All right, now we buttered them before we put them in. And now I'm going to give them a little quick more butter. Because more butter is better. And they turned out looking very, very good. Okay. If there was an ugly one in the bunch, it's this one. So this is the one I'll sample. Ooh, doggies. Doggy, doggy, doggy. Did I hear y'all say more butter? Just a little bit. Got to have just a little bit for the insides. See, just real thin. Your family is going to love you for making these. So delicious. And the crunch. You're going to find that using the yeast in this cooking method, you're going to find it easier than regular yeast bread. So I do hope you'll try it. Look at that crispy brown. Happy Thanksgiving. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.